Hi, I'm Josephine Leffner, creative consultant and intuitive coach who helps people achieve their goals and dreams. How do you measure success? I think a lot of times we measure success by the end result, especially if we have a big dream or goal. As an actor, I want to win an Academy Award, and I will be successful when I win an Academy Award. Sure, yes, go for it. However, if we're only focused on that big final result, how do we keep going to get to that result? And what do we do after that result? I think it's really important to break success up into smaller celebrations, into really honoring the achievements along the way, not only to motivate us to keep going, but also because it's way more fun. If you want to work together one-on-one, please feel free to check out my website, as well as I am offering a 6-week online workshop called Start That Project, which starts this Tuesday, October 15th. I look forward to working with you soon.